Welcome to Open Whispers channel. See something, say something, and please do something. The decision day is today, and the Labour Party, from what I'm seeing, is making inroads in Lagos in one particular unit that I saw the result. Labour Party was scoring 150 something, APC 50 something, PDP some fewer votes, but there are voter suppression in Lagos. You guys, you vote another. I will vote you guys, you vote another party. Whoever. Suppression in Lagos. Ballot boxes being snatched. Voters being denied access to vote. That is not the Nigeria we dream of. And that's not the Nigeria that people are craving for. We have to make this contest free and fair. Otherwise, who says they are not afraid of losing? If the election is conducted free and fair, I can bet you that the Labour Party will defeat the APC right there in Lagos. Because the people are tired. The people are craving for a new leader. And I believe at the end of the day, INEC should come on board to do the right thing until we meet again in this arena. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Thank you.